The app Dave offers a lifeline when your bank account is running low, providing small cash advances to help you avoid overdraft fees. But what happens if that lifeline turns into a headache because you can't pay it back on time? It's a common concern, and understanding the consequences of a late payment to Dave is crucial for anyone using the service. Unlike traditional lenders, Dave doesn't charge you a late fee immediately. They actually offer a short grace period past your scheduled repayment date. Your repayment date is typically set for your next payday, based on the information you provide when linking your bank account. If you miss this date, the app will first try to withdraw the amount again, and you'll receive a notification. The company's goal is to ensure they get their money without penalizing you harshly for a minor delay. However, this grace period isn't indefinite, and it's essential to communicate with them if you know you'll be late. The most immediate consequence of a late repayment is the impact on your Dave account status. Once a payment is late, you will be ineligible to request any further cash advances. This restriction will remain in place until the full outstanding balance is successfully repaid. For many users who rely on Dave for occasional small advances, this loss of access can be a significant inconvenience. It essentially means that the very feature you use the app for is temporarily blocked, forcing you to find alternative solutions for any immediate cash needs. One of the major benefits of Dave, even when you're late, is that they do not charge interest on the advance, and they do not charge late fees. This is a stark contrast to payday lenders and even some banks. Your outstanding balance remains the original amount you borrowed. While there are no financial penalties added to the debt itself, you do run the risk of incurring overdraft fees from your own bank if Dave attempts to withdraw the payment and your account has insufficient funds. Dave's internal penalty is simply the suspension of service. Even after you successfully pay back a late advance, it's important to know that your repayment history is a factor in your future eligibility. Dave uses an algorithm to determine your advance limits, and consistent, on-time repayments are the best way to maintain and potentially increase your borrowing limit. A late payment, even if repaid, can negatively affect this scoring, possibly leading to a lower maximum advance amount or stricter eligibility criteria for a period of time. Timely repayment is key to keeping the maximum flexibility with the app. If you pay Dave back late, you won't get hit with late fees or interest. The main consequence is the immediate suspension of your access to future advances until the balance is cleared. While that's the primary issue, remember that the late payment could still cause an overdraft fee with your bank and may negatively impact your eligibility for higher advance amounts in the future. The best straight